Hey guys, Andy here, and today I have a major announcement as involves this channel. So major, didn't even have time to shave or do my hair or none of that stuff. This is just a raw one-take video, so we're just gonna kind of wing it from here. So the major announcement is I finally finished four tutorial videos today. So I decided to bring back tutorial videos. Got a little speck of time here, and recorded the videos. And if you caught my live stream earlier today, you'll saw that I completely finished one. It's all rendered, ready to go. So the plan is moving forward that we're going to be releasing tutorial videos every Friday moving forward. So still working on the other three, but once they're all done, be uploading them, scheduling them, all that stuff. So every Friday is going to be a new tutorial. Now, as far as long-term scheduling goes, if you know me, we'll get there when we get there. But at least for the time being, for the next 4 weeks, I can for sure guarantee there's going to be 4 new tutorials, pending some kind of cataclysmic disaster. But again, we'll get there when we get there. So I'm really excited to be making tutorials again. It's been the hottest of minutes since I made one, about what, 6-7 months since I made my last one. And a lot's changed between now and then. If you want to learn more about that, you can check out my other personal channels as well as my archive channel. So if you want to learn more about that, information's out there. So in any event, really excited to be doing all that stuff again. Now, as far as the status of my remonetization, which was pretty much one of the main reasons why I stopped making tutorial videos on this channel, amid other stuff that I've already talked about, I've recently contacted YouTube. They're currently looking into my situation. I guess my case is being further reviewed. So once that goes down the line and goes through the system and all this other whatever else it has to do to get currently reviewed, then we'll take it from there. So I figure in the meantime, why not just make some videos? If anything, for funsies. And once the monetization comes back on, if Google decides to remonetize my channel, it's hard to say, but if they do decide to do that, then we'll have videos ready, keep on making videos, and just go from there, man. So once again, super excited to be making videos, and also I'm going to be doing more live streams on this channel as well, doing various editing. So whether it's editing my upcoming tutorials, editing upcoming other videos like Andy Before Japandy, or maybe editing some videos for some of my clients. I definitely want to do more live streaming on this channel. I don't have a specific time or anything like that set up for it, so just to be on the safe side, probably best if you subscribe to this channel, hit the little notification bell, all that YouTube-y call to action stuff, so that way when I do go live, you'll get sent to your inbox, and you'll know. So anyway, with that said, guys, this is the Andy-san. Signing for now. As always, we'll see you next time. Catch you later, guys. Bye.